tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to cancel an order on PandaBuy. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to pandabuy.com and then you're gonna log into your account. Once that is done, you're gonna click on your profile picture and you're gonna click on User Center. Once you're here, you're gonna head over to your Orders tab. You're gonna wait for it to load, and then when you're here, it's gonna display the order you have. Then all you have to do is select the order and click on this cancel payment option. You're gonna choose a reason on why you want to cancel the order. For example, I don't want to buy anymore, and then you can click on confirm. So once that is done, it will be gone, and then you can just click on remove order, confirm, and it's successfully gone and you have cancelled your order. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.